Hi, I just want to give you a couple of quick pointers on how to insert video and insert images, okay? All right, so you can see I already have my title up here. Student frustration with online education. Okay, so let's say I want to insert some kind of image that might go along with that. Right here, you can see I'm heading up here and it says insert or edit image. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and see what I can find. You'll notice I need to move this a little bit. Now I already have an image I want to use on my computer, so you might need to go out and go to Google Images where you can download for some free things, or maybe you have some photographs, whatever it might be. I find for me it's just easier to already have it on my computer. So I'm going to scroll down here, get to my favorite, this stressed out woman. Open. So it's going to show item description, stress. I'm just going to call it that. You see computer stress. I already named it. Okay, stressed out. Okay, and I'm going to click insert, which is a little more to the right there. All right, so there's my image. Okay, love it. All right, I'm going to move you again here. Okay, there we go. Okay, so however, when I look back up, I'm like, this image is a little big. So I'm still on edit image, and I'm going to come up and just shrink it a little bit. That's a little too big, right? So I'm right about there. Okay. All right. Now, something else I want, and you can play with it some more under edit image. That's what this Play with the Wiki site is for. Anyone can jump in, make changes, have a blast. Okay. All right, so now I'm going to show you how to insert a quick video. Now here's the big thing, you need to have a YouTube account, okay? But if you're in my speech class, you probably do, because you either recorded your speech and uploaded it to YouTube, or you've already done Google Hangouts perhaps, and if you have a Google Hangout, that means you have a Google address, which means you automatically have a YouTube account. So you may as well use it. All right, so I'm going to click on this little camera looking thing, okay, twice for whatever reason. Okay, now right now I gotta tell you, it's not going to, my camera is occupied in a different recording program, so you're not going to see the video of this, but I just click record from webcam, start recording, and it's going to say the website from Blackboard would like to use your webcam to upload to YouTube, and you say okay. Okay, and so obviously the microphone is working because you can see it's bouncing up and down to let me know that I am plenty loud enough. Stop recording, upload, insert, and voila, here we go. I'm going to come here. And I want to make that a little bit smaller as well. Okay? All right, so I'm going to click, so those are my two new things. I'm going to click submit because I want to see what it looks like. Okay, so there's my picture, pretty cute. Right? And I'm going to scroll down, and I'm scrolling down. There we go. Let's try, oops, nope, sorry, this one. I want to do this one. Okay, so I want to hear or see it. Now remember, we can't see the video because my camera is occupied with you right now. Okay, here we go. Okay, and so obviously the microphone is working because you can see it's bouncing up and down to let me know that I am plenty loud enough. Stop. Who is that silver-toned woman? Okay, so you got to see. I hope you see two examples. So I have, and by the way, you can play with the formatting of this. You know, there are so many little things that I can point out to you. One of the things I'm going to show in a different video is how to create different wiki pages. Okay, and that'll be using this link right here. Okay, and the other one, that it'll start like a whole new page, and then you link them together. And this one right here, which is gray right now, and I'm not sure why, I got to actually dig into that and look at that, but linking to a page. So I might embed a link into a word, and if you are familiar with Wikipedia, you know how Wikipedia does that, right? Or maybe some of your favorite blogs that you go to will have, like, say a word like, I don't know, Alaskan Malamute. 2 words, but you want to go, Alaskan Malamute, what is that? And you click on the embedded link because it'll, because it's highlighted blue. Okay? All right. I hope this helps. I hope you get as creative as you want. All right. Have fun with it. Have fun.